see another bad guy. Camouflaged against that tree almost. Yeah. All right. These first ones, they weren't very tricky. Let me top it off a little bit. There's big rounds in here. 7.62 by 54R. Stay ready. Aha! But they were going to trick me with that one too. Made short work of him. They stuck any down in that ravine. Wow. Oh, there's one right there. Look, it popped me. Yeah. Almost an ambush. Almost an ambush. Keep my eyes peeled. I'm going to get out here and back to America. Safe. Ah. Got him, he bled all over the snow. Let's top off while we got a chance here. There's no incoming fire. Ooh, we got some cold weather over here. I tell you, some cold weather. Alright. Oh, I think I see one between those trees down there. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to have perfect elevation, and I'm not sure about that. That's what I was afraid of. She's a little high. There we go. Killed him, I think. Let me take another shot to make sure. I believe he's empty. I'll keep an eye on him just in case. I think I got him. One reason I want to come over here and do some training, because I've not fired this gun very much. It's good to get it in realistic battlefield situation. It's a nice old gun, lots of history. Ah, there's one trying to creep up the hill on me. Take care of him. Took care of him. All colors. Hard to see. Oh, there's one. Yeah. Look at him bleed. Alright. Scour the hillside. Always want to be loaded. Be alert to your surroundings. I just hope there's no brown bears over here too in the area. It's scary, you know. I'm used to looking out for squirrels and possums and zombies, not bears. Okay, I guess we got enough in there. About the end of the course here. Ah, there's one left. All right.